customers think it's rather odd that we are located in such a small town and in a very rural area. We have always believed that being located here in Spiceland is one of our greatest advantages.
Providing custom solutions, shading solutions for high-end projects, for very specific architectural needs, is a very small market in terms of those companies that can perform the amount of work. Not many companies have the resources or the capabilities or the staff to be able to handle this.
Draper has always been focused on innovative solutions. From the very beginning, we have always been so customizable.
We understand that there is not a one-size-fits-all product for each individual need in the AV market. So we take the customer's need for a custom product combined with keeping cost in mind and repeatability and turn that into a new AV product.
We think having Draper customers visit us is the best way for them to understand our culture and what our capabilities are. What really surprises our customers when they come see us is our size, but also what we're able to do, what the capabilities that we have, both in design and in manufacturing, allow us to produce.
Draper is a one-of-a-kind company in many ways, having those engineering resources, manufacturing resources, and production resources to provide custom solutions of both fabric types and metal types to projects.
I think the key to Draper's future success is building on the things that we've done in the past, taking good care of our employees, taking good care of our customers, doing the things that we need to do to provide outstanding customer service.